Hey guys! Ayan, for today's video, we're doing unboxing. I got these earrings, na oval earrings here in TikTok. And then, unfortunately, as wala na po na-record ako ang voice. So, I'm using this new TNW that I got here sa TikTok also. And wala na ako late na ko, karon ako naka-realize nga wala day na-record akong voice. So now I'm doing voice over. So yes, paalala kung ganahan mo kuan anang mga microphone, make sure i-double check. So ako sayop na ko kay wala na ako na double check nga wala day na-record akong voice. So karon ayan, so we're doing unboxing napalit na ko diri ni sa TikTok ang kuan kaniniong oval cut moissanite na 2-carat oval cut moissanite earrings. But anyway, that's a freebie. This is the freebies nga gihatag nila sa ako. Dayon, duha na ka freebies nga ilang gihatag. They're very nice and generous. Thank you, seller. So, yes. And then, so, dugay ko nangita og ani nga earrings. Ayan. So, it's sterling 925 in a gold-plated settings, oval cut, na moissanite. And it looks great. We have, nagbigay din sila ng GRA. So, gusto ko yan i-try sa diamond tester since we have the diamond tester na kananaong tools. So, later ako nang i-try. But first impression, it looks great. It looks great. It doesn't look like kanang rag glass gani. So, sometimes you have to double check. So, yeah, as you can see, ang kinang niya, diba? Ang kinang niya in person, and they have a nice box also. So, makinang siya, and it seems like moissanite. So, yeah. So, on the next video, i-try ko kung i-test nato kung moissanite ba talaga. So, yeah. And, yeah. I-share ko na lang yung link kung saan ko to nabili. If you guys interested something like this, na oval cut earrings, na they claim to be moissanite, but I'm not so sure. I-test ko muna. They have the GRA, but of course, because I've been buying moissanite lately, so I kinda know the difference now. So, yeah. So, gusto ko pa rin i-try. I-try sa ato ang kanang moissanite na or diamond tester. Kasi moissanite is the closest stone sa diamond. So, let's say diamond is 10, moissanite is 9.5 ang clarity niya. And then, the diamond tester will detect if it is real moissanite also. It's like almost same as the diamond ang iyahang result. So, yeah. So, you will know kung naamoy mga tools like anang mga diamond tester, you will know if it's moissanite or glass or cubic zirconia. So, ingan na ka sa yun. So, when I wore it, ingan na siya how it looks. Kuan siya kanang medyo bugat-bugat, dako-dako siya. Kung ganahan mag-minimalist, this is not for you. This earrings is kind of big. Jud ang 2-carat. So if you like something like that, then grab yours. And yeah, it looks great. I like it.